Today I buy the Panasonic model number KXTG153C. The one is digital corded and cordless phone with answering machine. So let's see like that. 3 cordless and 1 corded phone. Call block option, talking, caller ID, work with during power outage, but they need to sell. Bluetooth enable. So let's see, we open it. What they write here, important to install a battery in handset. Number 2, firmly insert AC adapter connector. Number 3, connect telephone cord into base unit. And number 4, record your personal greeting message, optional. So take out the all product and accessories. Okay. Oh, very nice packing, huh? That one is rechargeable batteries. That one is after. This unit. Oh, very nice, huh? That one is manual, cable, wire. Number 1, cordless. Oh yes, that one is corded. One more. One more. Here. Oh, that one is very easy, huh? So just like that. So, well, when I assemble it, I will let you know another video. Okay, thank you. Bye.